Good day, it's Carl from Studio In Car. You're going to have to excuse me, I'm a sweaty mess. It's 34 degrees inside this workshop right now. For the Americans amongst you, I have no idea what that means in your money. Let me show you the largest thing we've ever worked on. Not the largest system, but the largest vehicle. It's outside, doesn't fit in here. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's just have a nice little quiet walk around it. Sorry for any wind noise on the mic. There you go, a three-way door build up front there. Obviously left and right, should be able to see the other one just peeking through over there. Got your 6x9 inch rears up there in the cabinet area. They've got enclosures on the back of them, which I'll show you in a second. How does this work? There we go, there we go. See, they're in their own enclosures. So he can safely put anything in there, plus he gets a load more energy. You've got Halo 9 up there, right above your head. It's odd, isn't it, lorries, like they're just a different animal. Side cabin for that exterior entertainment. Stu's done a nice little panel down the bottom because this is now fully enclosed. This has got basically has its own box. And there's a running monos, no need for these to run stereo, but the whole box won't go in as a singular thing because of the bracket down the bottom there. So yeah, it's put a nice little trim panel down the bottom. It looks really smart. And yeah, let's try and get in here with one hand and flip-flops on because it's 1,000 degrees. So we've raised the bed by 1 inch or so that we can allow this bass to play through. There we go, look. Now in there we have a very functional looking sub box. That sub, as you know, if you watch this channel regularly, isn't something we use very often at all, but this needed something that could deal with the power that Venizia V1 can put out, which is just a ton. It's 1.2 kilowatts. Now 1.2 kilowatts isn't really a crazy amount for a mono amp. Bloody hell. Isn't really a crazy amount for a mono amp, but this amp's really small. Like, it's smaller than the Mille Pro, like the Power 1, things like that. But yeah, anyway, 6x9s, SPL Show, distribution amps, custom sub box, and it sounds mental in here. Halo 9 with all the fingerprints in the world on it. You can't really help it in this weather. We are sticky. And down there you got your door build. There's a little bit of kick on the tweeters, a little bit of kick on the mid-ranges. The mid-basses play straight on, doesn't interrupt anything. Managed to keep the swage line around the outside of the original pocket, and away we go. It's a fascinating project, this. Not something we've ever done before, and Callum, the gent that owns this, bless him, he's lovely. I might treat you and see if I can get him on camera for you. He's loud. He's what you'd expect driving something this big. Yeah, and I'm really glad we took it on, to be fair, because it gives you a slightly different perspective, something slightly different to do, and yeah, it's been a bit mad. So Callum's here now, and Stu's about to turn the system on, so let's go and see what we can get. I mean, proof's in the pudding, isn't it? So we've got in there the Hertz Venizia 24 volt marine amplifiers, the V1 and the V6, so the 6-channel and the mono, and they have got tons of power. We've had to change the subwoofer. We underrated the subwoofer in this one. Didn't go too well. These amps are monsters, alright, so we've had to use an SPL Show 12 because it can deal with that sort of power in a sealed enclosure. It's a 1.2k amp, which is not something that I considered. I was thinking 600-700 watts, don't know, call it professional complacency, but yeah, so much energy. It's just got tons of energy. The whole 24 volt thing is a big deal. That's why, you know, you see it in competition, you know, a lot of lads running higher voltage setups. It really works having that much more power. So this is wicked. Callum is a great guy. You happy?
I'm happy, mate. Yeah, that's sick.
He owns this truck and he uses it every day. He wants it to work well for him. That was the primary goal. Sorry if you can hear it in the background. These things are loud, like just loud in general, never mind the stereo. He wanted it to work well for him, and he also wanted a little bit of flair, a little bit of pizzazz for it. He does go to truck shows and things like that, and I think we've nailed it. You know, he's got those external Hertz Marine speakers, his door builds, the 3-way in the door. We've had to do a fair bit of modifying to get that to work, but that's done. Stuart's built a custom sub box with the 12-inch SPL Show in there. It does not struggle for bass at all, and like I say, 2 powerful amps, really small footprint. I'm thinking I might try and use the 12 volt one, see what they're like in comparison to some of the standard Hertz amplifiers. That might be quite a good test. That I love a bit of power. I love the dynamic swing that a powerful amplifier can give you. But anyway, this should sit there on a show field. It should play real loud if it wants to play real loud, but also when he's on, I know nothing about haulage, okay, but I assume at some point he's going to be in there for a very long time, and it should be not fatiguing at all. You know, he should be able to listen to it and be really happy with it. It's got 6x9s up in the top rear deck, which are as loud as you like, you know, Stu's had to dial them back. The front 3-way set, nice and smooth in a good location, and like I say, the sub is wicked. So yeah, this is the first lorry that we've ever done. It is a childhood dream having a lorry like this, just sitting around the place. Looks like a racing truck. I can hear lorry owners now. Oh, no, it doesn't. Oh, like I said, you can't shoot me. I know nothing about them. I just know that it's absolutely sick, and I'm chuffed to bits with it. It's come together today. It's finished a little bit earlier, which is always nice. Yeah, great stuff. Lorry owners, we can't fit the lorry inside. It's bigger than our building, but so long as it's 30 degrees outside, it's hotter in here than it is out there. We can, you know, we can do the job for you. So get in touch. All right. I'm Carl, so Studio in Car. You have a nice weekend.